Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix messenger call option not showing on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Messenger call only work with a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If your internet is weak, the call option will not appear. Next, make sure the Messenger app is updated. For that, go to the App Store, search for the Messenger in the search bar, and tap the update if one is available. An outdated app can cause missing feature. Now check your iPhone setting. For that, go to the setting, scroll down and tap on Messenger. Make sure microphone and camera are turned on. If these are off, Messenger will hide the call and video call option. Next, check if calls are blocked in Messenger. For that, go to the Messenger app, tap on the profile picture, go to privacy and security, and make sure call settings are enabled. Now open the chat of the person you want to call. Look at the top of the screen. If the call icon is still missing, check if the person has blocked you or if you have blocked them. Blocked user cannot call each other. Also make sure the person you are calling is using Messenger, not SMS or restricted account. If the problem continues, close the Messenger app completely and reopen it. At last step, you can log out and log back into the Messenger or reinstall the app. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.